Right. So when this is collecting block is changed over, what we're going to do is we're going to change the color of the blocks here. So let's add in a function here, and we'll call this change color of blocks. And in here, we're going to say if is collecting is double equal to true. All right, and what we'll do is when we change this over, we're going to say self.change color of blocks. And what this is going to do is that this is going to allow us to change the color of the blocks. So if is collecting is double equal to true, we're going to say self.enumerate child with node names. Now it's asking you for a name here, and so we're just going to say block name. Okay, and we do need to put that in quotes. So let's say block name. Now the next part here, it says using block, and this is where things get a little bit tricky, but I'm going to add in a curly bracket, okay, and I'm going to say node, comma, stop in, okay, node stop in. I'm going to return, and I'm going to say if let sprite is equal to node as question mark sk sprite node. So what that's going to do is that's going to look at the sprite here, and you see how there's this bracket. We need to take a look at that. We need to add that in here like this, and take a couple seconds to make sure that it looks exactly like this. If it doesn't look like this, then you should take a look at it to make sure, and pause it to make sure that it is there. So we have the if let sprite is as node name, we're going to say sprite dot color, okay, is equal to orange custom color. All right, so let's take a look at that. Now you can do this, so if you need to change the properties of a bunch of sprites, this is the way you do that. So look at that, everything's working out. Yeah, it looks kind of neat. There you go. It changes that there. Now, it changed a little bit before we wanted it to. So let's go and cut that out, and let's find out where we changed all our orange custom color. Let's put it below that. So we all want it to change to the orange custom color when we need it to. All right. So everything's looking good here. Place blocks 3, 2, 1, 0, and then there we go. And that actually looks pretty good. I think it looks actually quite a bit neat here. Now instead of using the green color, we could use just simply a white color. So let's go up to the top and let's call this, instead of green custom color, we'll call this white custom color, and we'll make that equal to UI color, okay, UI color, and we'll make it an RGBA value, and the RGBA value is going to be 0.92, 0.92, and 0.92. So it's still a gray color. And the reason why we're doing it different from the off-white color is so that the whites don't conflict with each other, okay? Now, there should be this green color, so let's change that to white custom color. All right, so let's take a quick look at this, and let's go and let's see, look at this here, and there you can see that having it be that gray color, you can still see the white in the background, okay? And then it changes all to orange custom color, okay? And you can see here that there's a couple of issues. First of all, we took away the GUI here, and we're going to say and add in that in there, but the colors did work. All right, this includes the tutorial.